vinegary or cayenne pepper or Tabasco, that will sweeten it up.
Okay, I have a riddle for you.
All right, go ahead.
Now, once you figure it out, you'll have real fun time pissing off your maintenance men and your delivery people. They may get really mad, though. So here's the riddle.
Okay.
28 cows in a field. I'm sorry, excuse me. 30 cows in a field,
30 cows.
28 chickens.
28.
How many didn't?
Didn't what?
I just told you. Listen again. 30 cows in a field, 28 chickens. How many didn't?
Didn't cow or chicken a field? I don't get it.
And the answer is within. Just think of the words, and they can have different meaning. You know how some words have two different meanings? So 30 cows in a field.
28
chickens. How many didn't?
Chicken. I still don't get it, sweetie.
30 cows in a field. 28 chickens. How many didn't?
Didn't chicken?
Didn't chicken?
I don't see what's so funny. Didn't cow?
How many didn't cow? 30 cows in a field, 28 chickens. How many didn't?
Didn't what? Sweetie, cows and chickens don't do it.
No, I'm not talking about cows and chickens mating.
Oh, how many didn't go to the bathroom?
No, I said nothing about going to the bathroom.
I'm lost, darling. I'm totally lost.
Once I tell you
everything I could.
Once I tell you, it will be the most simplest thing, and you'll go like, "Oh."
How cow?
No, not how kid. Let me tell you the second part.
Okay.
28.
28 chickens.
So 30.
The cows ate the 28 chickens.
So 30 cows in a field,
Oh.
28 chickens. How many didn't?
Eight, the verb, not the number.
Yeah.
They ate chickens.
So 30 cows in a
I don't
field.
think cows do. They eat grass.
It doesn't matter if they did or didn't. It's a riddle.
It is good.
So 30 cows in a
That
field.
would piss them off because
Yep.
it's so
So what's the answer?
ludicrous.
30 cows in a field, 28 chickens. How many didn't?
Two lived.
Well,
Apparently
30
one,
cows in a field, 20. 30 minus 20.
28. Got two didn't eat chicken.
20. So 30 minus 20, 10.
Oh yeah.
Because it's 28 is not the number, 8 is the verb.
Oh, that's
Yeah,
right.
so 30 cows in a field,
So,
28.
that is annoying. Actually. That is really freaking annoying. It's just, you can tell your friends it took my mother 15 minutes.
Oh no,
to
I
get
recorded
that.
the whole thing.
Oh, my voice and everything?
Yeah.
Oh,